Good morning, children. So, in our previous class, we did some problems based on the sum of n terms in the AP series. Let us do some more problems based on the from exercise 3. Okay, from different models. Let us do now. See here, given that A is equal to 5, D is equal to 3, AN is equal to 50. Find N and Sn. See here, when A value is given here, A value is 5, D value is equal to 3, AN is given, that is 50. From this information, we have to find the values of N and also Sn. Okay. First, let us try to find the value of N, because if we know the N value only, then we can find the Sn value. So that's why first let us find the N value from the above information. See here. So what is given right first? A is equal to 5, B is equal to 3 and AN is equal to 50. First we are trying to find the value of N. Yes. How can we find the value of N? Yes, we have one formula to find the value of N when AN is given. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Yes. So here, by using this formula, let us find the value of N. So see here, AN is given in the question, that is 50. 50 is equal to A value. A value is 5 plus N value. We don't know the N value, that is write as it is minus 1 into D value. D value is 3. Okay. So 50 is equal to 5 plus 3 into N. 3N. 3 into N will become 3N minus 3 ones are 3. See here. 50 is equal to 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 it will become 2. 2 plus 3N. 50 plus 2. If we write the left side, it will become minus 2 is equal to 3N. 50 minus 2, that is equal to 48 is equal to 3N. N is equal to 48 by 3. 48 if we cancel with 3, then it will become 60. So here the N value is 60. Yes, we find the N value. Now let us find the Sn value. Okay, Sn, already A value we know, D value also we know that, and also we know that N value. So if we know A, D, N values, then it is easy to find the sum of N terms in the AP series. So what is the formula to find the sum of N terms in the AP series? Sn is equal to N by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into D. Yes. So here N value we find by using this formula, that is N value is 16. 16 by 2 into 2A. 2 into A. A value is 5. That is given in the question only. A value is 5 plus N minus 1 into D. N value, that is also we find from the by using AN formula. Yes, N value is 16 minus 1 into d value. D value also given in the question only, that is equal to 3. Yes, now let us simplify this. We can cancel 16 with 2. Yes, it will become 2 ones are 2 eights are. So if we cancel the 16 with 2, it will become 8. 2 fives are 10 plus 16 minus 1. 16 minus 1, it will become 15. 15 threes are 45. Yes, see here, 8 into 2 fives are 10. 16 minus 1, that is 15. 15 threes are 45. 10 plus 45, it will become 55. So 55 eights are how much? 8 fives are 40. 8 fives are 40 plus 4, 44. So it will become 440. So the Sn is equal to 440. Okay. So if you do the third bit from the exercise 3, then you will become very perfect in this chapter. So we have many problems in exercise 3 third bit. Try to do all the problems. If you are able to do all those problems from third bit, then you will become very perfect in this chapter. Okay, see here. So here it is the answer. Once again see here, A, D, A and values are given in this. From this we have to find the value of n and also we have to find the value of Sn. So to find the n value, I am using here An formula. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. An is given in the question, that is 50. 50 is equal to A value is 5. 5 plus n minus 1. N value, we don't know that. That only we are finding. N minus 1 into 3. 50 is equal to 5 plus 3 into 3n minus 3 ones are 3. 50 is equal to 5 minus 3. It will become 2 plus 3n. 50 plus 2 becomes minus 2 is equal to 3n. 50 minus 2 is equal to 48. 48 is equal to 3n. N is equal to 48 by 3. 3 ones are 360. Here n value is 16. Now see here, we know the A value, D value and also we got the N value from this formula. So if we know A, N, D values, then it is easy to find the sum of all the terms in the AP series. So the formula is Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So n value is 16, we got from here. So 16 by 2 into 2 into a, 2 into 5 plus n value 16, 16 minus 1 into 3. 2 ones are 2 8s are 16. 2 5s are 10 plus 16 minus 1, that is 15. 15 3s are 45. 45 plus 10, it will become 55. 55 8s are 440. So the sum of Sn value is 440. Yes, are you understand? Okay, let us do next problem. Given that 8 12 is equal to 37, D is equal to 3, find A and S12. S. Given that A 12 is equal to 37, D is equal to 3, by using this information, we have to find the A value and S12 value. See here, first what is given in the question, let us write that. S12 is given. S12 is given, that is equal to 37, and D value also given, that is 3. See here, A12 is given, that means nothing but A12 value we know very well. A12 formula is A plus 11D. A12 formula is A plus 11D. A12 is equal to A plus 11D, that is equal to 37. That means A plus 11D is equal to 37. And also D value also given that. D value is 3. D is equal to 3. If we substitute D value in this one, A plus 11D formula, why we are writing A plus 11D? Because A 12th term in the AP series formula is A plus 11D. And also here you remember that N value also given. N value also nothing but 12 only. Yes? See here. A plus 11D is equal to 37. So, why we are writing A plus 11D? Because the 12th term of AP series formula is A plus 11D. A plus 11D is equal to 37. We don't know the A value, plus 11 into D value. D value is given in the question itself, that is 3 is equal to 37. Okay. So A plus 11 threes are 33 is equal to 37. So A is equal to 37 minus 33. A is equal to 37 minus 33, then A is equal to 4. Yes, A value is 4, D value is 3. So then let us find the S12 value. We are finding S12. S12 means nothing but here given in the N value. S12 means N value becomes 12 only. Yes. Here A value is 4, D value is 3. We are finding the S12. So what is the formula? Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d is the formula. Yes, this is the formula to find the sum of n terms in the AP series. But here S12 we are finding. S12. S12 means, so it is in the place of n. That means n value is nothing but 12 only. N value is nothing but 12. So here A value is 4, D value is 3, N value is 12. If we know the A, D, N values, then it will become easy to find the sum of all the terms in the AP series. So here N value I am substituting. I am taking as 12 by 2 into 2A. A value already we find here, that is 2 into 4 plus N value is 12. 12 minus 1 into D value is 3. 12 by 2, it will become 6. You can cancel that 12 with 2, it will become 6. 6 into 2 fours are 8 plus 12 minus 1. 12 minus 1, it will become 11. 11 into 3. So 6 into 8 plus 11 threes are 33. So 6 into 33 plus 8. 33 plus 8, it will become 41. 41 6 are 6 into 41. 6 ones are 6. 6 fours are 24. So S12 is equal to 246. Yes, are you understand? So whatever given in the question, By using those information, we have to find the unknown terms. Okay, see here. In this, A12 is given, that is 37. D value is 3. By using these two information only, A12 is 37 and the D value is 3. We have only two values. By using these two values, we have to find the A value and S12 value. See here, A12 is equal to 37, that is given, and D value is 3. We know very well A12, 12th term in the AP series is equal to A plus 11D. Yes, we know the general form, already we learned in our previous classes. So A12 formula is A plus 11D. A plus 11D is equal to 37. Here A plus 11 into D value is 3. That is given in the question. 11 3s are 33 is equal to 37. A is equal to 37 plus 33 becomes minus 3 if we take to the right side. So finally A value is 4. So here we know the A value and also D value. To find the sum of n terms in the AP series, we must know the n value. So here he asks to find the S12 value. S12 means nothing but n value is 12 only. So if we substitute all those A, D, n values in the sum of n terms formula, that is Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D formula, 12 by 2 into 2 into 4, a value is 4 plus n value is 12, 12 minus 1 into 3. 2 1s are 2 6s are 2 4s are 8 plus 12 minus 1, that is 11, 11 3s are. So 6 into 8 plus 11 3s are 33. 33 plus 8, that is 41 into 6. 41 6 are. Finally, the answer is 246. So the sum of 12 terms in the given AP series is 246. So already I told you, from exercise 3, third bit, we have many problems. Try to do all the problems. Okay. So if you get correct answers, you will become very perfect in this chapter. Okay, are you understand? See here, let us do another one. Given that A3 is equal to 15, S10 is equal to 125, find D and A10. See here, given that A3 is equal to 15, S10 is given. So actually in our previous problems, when we are finding just A, D, N values, and after that we find the Sn value. But here S10 is given, that is 125. From these two information only, and A3 is equal to 15, S10 is equal to 125. From these two information only, we have to find the value of D and also we have to find the value of A10. Okay, now let us see here. A3, what is given in that? First let us see here. A3 is equal to 15. Yes. So, we know the formula for third term in the AP series. A3 is equal to A plus 2D. Yes. A3, you can write it as A plus 2D is equal to 15. So we can't find anything from this. So let it be like this only. A plus 2d is equal to 15. Let us take this is equation number 1. Now let us use this one S10. So S10 is equal to, what is the formula? That is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Yes. See here, S10 value is given in the question itself. That is 125. S10 is equal to 125. And already I told you, this is Sn formula, sum of n terms. In the place of n, what is there? Yes, 10 is there. So that's why here we can take n value as 10. Okay, are you understand? Here I am taking n value as 10. Why I am taking n value as 10? Because this is sum of n terms. So what is n here? 10 here. So that's why n value I am taking as 10. 10 by 2 into a value. We don't know the a value. Plus n value. We know that n value is equal to 10. N is equal to 10. 10 minus 1 into d value also we don't know that. So that's why I am writing the d as it is. Okay. See here. 125 is equal to 2 ones are 2 5s are. 5 into 2 into a 2a plus 10 minus 1 9 into d. Okay. Now here it is into 5. Into 5, if we write the left side, it will become divided by. So 125 by 5 is equal to 2a plus 9d. Okay. So here we can cancel 125 with 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 fives are 25. So 25 is equal to 2a plus 9d. So if we write this one in the order, 2a plus 9d is equal to 25. Let us take, this is equation number 1. So from A3 value we got one equation, that is a plus 2d is equal to 15. And from S10 value also we got equation, that is 2a plus 9d is equal to 25. So this is, let us take equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. These two will become linear equations in two variables. So as we have fourth chapter. So in fourth chapter we can learn how to solve the linear equations in two variables by the elimination method. But you see here how I am going to solve these two equations. Okay, we will learn clearly when we are learning in fourth chapter linear equation in two variables. How can we solve these two equations? We can learn clearly there. Now observe how I am solving these two equations by using the elimination method. Okay, see here. Let us take first equation, that is a plus 2d. A plus 2d is equal to 15 and the second equation is 2a plus 9d is equal to 25. Okay, see here we got two equations from the given information. So to solve the linear equations with two variables, first we have to try to cancel any one of the term. Either it is a or d. Any one term we have to try to cancel. See here, to cancel the terms compulsory we should have the same coefficients. See here, this equation number 1 I am multiplying with 2. Because then only 2 into a, 2a we can cancel. So that's why I am multiplying the first equation with 2. 2 into a, 2a, multiply equation number 1 with 2. Yes, see here. 2 into a, 2a, plus 2 2s are 4d, 2 15s are 30. Okay, the total equation number 1 I am multiplying with 2. See here. Now write the second equation down. 2a plus 9b is equal to 25. See here, 2a, we can cancel. But when we can cancel, if there is one plus sign, one minus sign, then only we can cancel. So here 2a, both 2a's has plus sign only. So we cannot cancel. So that's why we have to do the subtraction. We know very well when we are doing the subtraction of two terms, then we have to change the signs. So here it will become minus, plus sign also will become minus, plus sign also will become minus. Here 2a minus 2a get cancelled. 4d minus 9d. 4d minus 9d it will become minus 5d. Minus 5d is equal to 30 minus 25. 30 minus 25 will become 5. So then d is equal to 5 by minus 5. So d is equal to minus 1. Yes. So d is equal to minus 1. We got the d value, that is minus 1. Now let us find the A10. So A10 formula is a plus 9d. Okay. Otherwise, we can use an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, that formula also we can use, or a10 is equal to a plus 9d, that one also we can use. See here, a value then, okay. So here we got only d value only. So if we substitute d value in any equation, whether in the first equation or in the second equation, then we can get the a value. See here, I am substituting a in equation number 1. So what is equation number 1? A plus 2d is equal to 15. Yes, I am substituting d value here. A plus 2 into minus 1 is equal to 15. Okay, so a minus 2 is equal to 15. A is equal to 15 plus 2 is equal to 17. A is equal to 17. See here, a value we got 17 plus 9 into d value. What is d value? Minus 1. Yes. 17 minus 9 ones are 9. So 17 minus 9. 17 minus 9, it will become 8. So A10 is equal to 8. Yes, are you understand? So this is the way to find the unknown terms from the given terms. Okay, is it clear? See here. Minus 2, 17. Okay, are you understand? See here. So here A3 is given. A3 is equal to 15. A3 formula is a plus 2d. A plus 2d is equal to 15. So this is, let us take as equation number 1. Okay, see here. 125 is equal to n value is 10. 10 by 2 into 2 into a plus 10 minus 1 into d. So 125 is equal to 2 ones are 2 fives are 2a plus 10 minus 1, that is 9d. So 125 by 5, 5 ones are 5 25s are, that is 2a plus 9d. 25 is equal to 2a plus 9d. 2a plus 9d is equal to 25. Here from this and from this we got two equations. Those two are called as the linear equations in two variables. Those we can solve by using elimination method to find the unknown terms, a and d terms. Just I am multiplying equation number 1 with 2. 2 into a, 2a plus 2 2s are 4d is equal to 15 2s are 30. Total terms we have to multiply with 2. So, and the second equation is 2a plus 9d is equal to 25. 2a minus 2a. When there are same signs, we should not cancel. So 2a minus 2a, that is, it will become cancelled. 4d minus 9d, that it will become minus 5d, is equal to 30 minus 25, that is equal to 5. D is equal to 5 by minus 5. If we cancel this, we will get d value is minus 1. Okay, see here. If we substitute d value in any equation, then we will get the a value. See here, a plus 2d is equal to 15. Okay, a plus 2d is equal to 15. We don't know the a value, plus 2 into d value. D value we got as minus 1 is equal to 15. A, 2 into minus 1. 2 ones are minus 2. A minus 2 is equal to 15. A is equal to 15. Minus 2, if you write straight, it will become plus 2. 15 plus 2, that is equal to 17. Now, we find the d value, that is d is equal to minus 1. Now, let us find the A10 value. Okay, A10 value. To find the A10, the formula is A plus 9d. So, A value we got, that is 17. 17 plus 9 into d value. D value is minus 1. 17, 9 ones are 9. Minus 9. 17 minus 9, it will become 8. So, A10 is equal to 8 and the d value is minus 1. So, in exercise 3 thought bit, each problem we have in different model. So, remaining problems also we try to do at home. Okay, thank you.